Hey everyone, so today I just wanted to show you something quick within the player settings so that you can avoid having to recreate nav icons. So what I often see is folks disabling the default previous and next buttons and then adding kind of their own previous and next buttons. And the issue that I find with this is that sometimes it's extraneous and it's kind of taking away at your screen real estate. I mean, sometimes it's fine. It just depends on the aesthetic that your project has. But there is a really quick way that you can kind of adjust your default previous and next buttons without having to create a button and either add triggers and put them on the slide master or put them on every slide. So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to player and then you're going to go to text labels. And then we're going to go down and find our next button. So here's our next button, and you'll see that the text on it is all caps next. What we're going to do is we're just going to delete all of the text and then we're going to update our preview. And you'll notice that there's now just an arrow. And you can do that with the previous button as well. You can do that with any of the buttons in Storyline. And so now you've kind of customized your previous and next buttons so that they look more like a custom button that you would add to your actual slide. Now, another thing that you could do to customize is go into your colors and effects and either change your color scheme of the player itself or go into the advanced color editing, and you can really dictate how you want your buttons and your player to look and feel. So that's one quick technique for creating the illusion of more customized buttons, but maintaining the default buttons in Articulate Storyline.